Hello all, today in this video I'm going to make a continuation of the previous video only. So in the previous video we have discussed regarding what is the functions which is going to while we are importing some libraries. So previously we have made some explanations for the some different libraries. In this video we are going to explain about two different library, which is random and JSON. So random library, it is going to generate random numbers. In this video we are going to make use of the random library in three different ways. So first, for that we are importing the random library and we are generating a random number within the first case. So for that we are making use of this library, which is randint, which will select random integer from a list of numbers we have given. Here we have given 1 to 100. So randomly it will make some selection and it will give 71. Since it is a random selection, if you are rerunning the code, means the 71 will be replaced by some other number, and we are making to print this random integer, so which is printed over here. So in the next thing, that is next selection, we are making to display some colors. So for that we are making use of the choice randoms library, and we are making this colors and we are also printing it. So here it is randomly selecting yellow. So if you are making some random likewise within the previous step we are rerunning, means definitely there will some change. Likewise, we are shuffling the list. For that, we are making use of the shuffle function from the random library. That is, this colors only we are shuffling. So you may notice, because we have given the print, and once print we may notice there is some difference, that is, it is shuffled. So we can just rerun to just check. Previously now it is 71 yellow, and this shuffling you can just notice. Now I'm just rerunning it. So if you notice, means there is definitely some change. So previously it is not 66, it is 71. Previously it is yellow, and previously the shuffle is not like this. So this is the use of the random function. It will be generated randomly for each reruns. Next, we are going to see the usage of the library JSON, which is JavaScript library. It is going to work with the JavaScript data. It can make a Python dictionary to convert to JSON, and vice versa also we can done, and we can write a JSON file and also read. So based on that we can we are going to make a explain a example code in this video. So for that, initially we are importing the JSON library. So first we are going to convert a Python dictionary to a JSON string. For that we are defining a Python dictionary in the name person dictionary. So how to define a dictionary, means it is given in the previous code. Some Python, how to make a dictionary in that, this is it's a series only, you can just check over there. So within dictionary we have to use this braces and name. It is Alice. Age we are giving like 30, and we have given the city. It should the dictionary should have the key value pair. So this name serves as the key and Alice serves as the value. Then we are dumping this Python dictionary to a JSON string. So if you notice, means this is a JSON string. But you may notice the difference between the string and dictionary. So the dictionary output will be displayed like this only in single quotes, but if you notice in JSON string, it will be displayed within double quotes. So here we are converting JSON string to a Python dictionary. In this case, to convert a Python dictionary to JSON string, we are using the json.dumps, and we are printing. To convert back, we are using loads. So here we are using some different Python dictionary. No, we can try with the same. This is the that is Python library, which JSON string we have created by using the Python dictionary. So we can just make use of the same thing. So in that case, we may notice that what is the difference between these two. By this, you may have some more idea to give a differentiation. I'm just giving parsed data 1. So now I'm running the code. So now I'm sorry. So this is the string we have created. No, so we have to give that only. Sorry. So now if you notice means you may see this is the JSON string we generated by using the dictionary we gave, and this is the conversion of the JSON string to Python library. Now you may notice the difference. What the entries are same only, but previously it is double within double column, and now it is in single column. And then we are writing a JSON data to a file. For that we are making use of the dump function, and the data file name we are given as data written to a person, and since it is a JSON file we are giving the .json extension. So to open we are using, that is to write or open, we are using the open, and you are using the write command. I think previously we were W, that is for writing or anything into a file, or reading we will be using this W. For reading are the same only. So this open command will make an surety like whether the file which we have opened is open and closed uh, correctly. For that we are using this open command both in reading and writing. So based on that, first we are writing some datas into this JSON file. Next in that case we will once it is written it will display it like this. This person.json is just nothing but this output, this dictionary output only. It is written into the JSON thing, so it is displayed while we are making to read, it will be displayed. So this is the thing for JSON library. So in the next video we'll see some discussions about some other library. Thank you.